This is a treat. Yep, it reminds me of the UTC Robinson's May. And the cab looked exactly like this. The only difference was that one was brown inside. This one's pink. Beautiful doors.
GMP.
I know. Okay, we're gonna go down to 1 and get off at 3. Oh, here are the GM. Look at that. An original COP. So beautiful. I love this elevator so much.
Me too.
I'm gonna get off at 3, and then I'll go with you when you get your video. I'm gonna write this again without filming it. Look, I like how it goes into the bay. We're gonna get off at 3. I'm gonna switch to the side.
Okay. I gotta push me some GMP anyways.
Good. Okay, let's get off here.
Okay.